Today we are going to talk about two companies. It's Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. And before we start talking, I would like to ask you who likes Starbucks, who likes donuts? Can you raise your hands? Who is
Starbucks.
Starbucks? Starbucks.
Dunkin'.
Starbucks.
Donuts.
Dunkin'. Dunkin'.
Okay.
Dunkin'.
Thank you. Why we choose these companies? So you see, every one of us needs this products, these companies. So coffee, especially during the days if there is no sun and you need energy. And I would like to ask you also, do you know about the history of these companies? So, me the same. I was the same in the same situation as we. And last week I started to research what are these companies? What is the history of these companies? So let's start. First of all, our presentation will consist of three parts. So first of all, it identifies the companies. I will talk about this part. Second part is target market. Younghwa will talk about this part. And the last part is the potential and challenges of these companies. And our friend Yousef will talk about this part. So let's start with Starbucks. Go ahead. So Starbucks was founded, I can say, in 1971 in Seattle, Washington, by three partners. And you know, it's an interesting thing. Who were the founders? English teacher, history teacher, and the writer. So the company was named Starbucks. It's interesting story. It was the name was taken from the Moby Dick. Moby Dick is very famous novel. Was right in 19th century. So Starbucks is the name of chief meat of the sheep pigeon. Peggle, I don't know exact pronunciation. P-E-Q-O-U-D. Pigeon. It's the name of the sheep. So as you see, in 1982, Mr. Howard Schultz joined Starbucks, who now is the chairman of the board of directors of the Starbucks company. In 1982, he was joined the company as director of marketing and retail operations. Next year, in 1983, he travels to Italy, and he was impressed by espresso bars in Milan. And after this travel, he decided to open a coffee house in Seattle, like in Italy. So in 1987, the total number of the stores were only 17. The year after, it increased up to 33. Today, the company has more than 17,000 stores in the world. So there are in 55 countries they have stores. So, and in 1992, Starbucks completes initial public offering with common stock being traded in the Nasdaq, its national market under the trading symbol SPUX. So, the mission of company is to inspire and to develop the human spirit. One person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. So as I said, can you go back to the logo of Starbucks? You see, it's twin-tailed mermaid or siren. Do you know what does it mean, mermaid?
Yeah.
So it's
Half a girl, half a fish.
yeah. You're right. Let's go ahead. Now I would like to tell you about Dunkin' Donuts, the history of Dunkin' Donuts. Next. So Dunkin' Donuts was opened in 1950. The first store by Bill Rosenberg. Actually, he opened a donut store restaurant named Open Kettle in 1948 in Queens. But in 1950, the restaurant was renamed Dunkin' Donuts. The first franchise of the restaurant signed in Worcester 5 years later. By 1963, there was 100 franchise restaurants, Dunkin' Donuts, open in the United States. So Munchkins were released in 1972, and muffins were added to the menu in 1978. So a year later, in 1988, there were 1,000 restaurant Dunkin' Donuts in franchise open. So each year, the number of restaurants were increasing. Today, they have so more than 15,000 Dunkin' Donuts restaurants in the world. In 2004, Dunkin' Donuts headquarters was moved to the Canton. It's located in Massachusetts. And in 2006, they began marketing campaign, America runs on Dunkin'. So during the past several years, Dunkin' Donuts has accelerated growth and laid out ambitious plans to double the chain to 15,000 stores in the United States. And as you see, in 2011, Dunkin' Donuts Group was hot stock in first day of trading with shares soaring 46% above the initial public offering price. So, can you move?
will switch to my friend Younghwa, and he will talk about opportunities.
Hi. Then I'm going to talk about how big those companies are. Actually, as of yesterday, Starbucks market value is $42 billion, and Dunkin' Donuts brand market value just $4 billion, about 10 times differences. As you can see, operating income is also, say like that. The operating income is almost 6 to 7 times, Starbucks more than Dunkin' Donuts. Then, even though Starbucks is so bigger company than Dunkin' Donuts, then why can we call they are competitors? Because they have so many kind of similarities. First, why do you go there? Why do you go Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts? Because drink coffee and eat something. That's all. Because of that, you want to go there. They have similar drinking. They have similar eating, similar something to eat. And they are also one of the biggest coffee company. This picture shows which countries Starbucks have gone into. And this picture shows how about Dunkin' Donuts. Maybe we can see, as we can see, Starbucks has more countries than Dunkin' Donuts. Then, even though they are same companies, which sell same product, not same product, almost similar product, coffee and something to eat. Then, but actually, their target market are totally different. Okay. Actually, I saw so many people raise their hands for Starbucks. Do you want to go Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts?
Starbucks.
Why? Why do you want to go Starbucks, not Dunkin' Donuts?
Because I'm familiar with this brand more than Dunkin' Donuts.
But even though you are familiar with Starbucks, but Starbucks coffee is more expensive than Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh, really? I don't know. I will try Dunkin' Donuts next time.
Yeah. Did you see? She just want to go Dunkin' Donuts. She doesn't care about price. Actually, Starbucks has so many kind of coffee brand. Starbucks has so many kind of coffee brands more than Dunkin' Donuts, about more than 20 kinds. And actually, Starbucks want to sell more than coffee. For example, when we see the person, meet the person who has Starbucks coffee, to them, the Starbucks coffee is not just coffee, more than coffee. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what kind of drinking do you have? Not coffee, Starbucks coffee. You know what I mean? Yeah. They want to sell more value. We are